So now that we have completed our chicken sliders and our chili cheese fries and tater tots, we are going to make a super fun drink to go with it. Disney is known for having these wacky, super fun creations that just embody how fun Disney is. And what is more celebratory and embodiment of Disney than birthday cake ice cream? Serendipity puts out this birthday cake ice cream that has cake flavored ice cream with swirls of pink frosting, cake pieces, and sprinkles. So rather than doing a traditional vanilla float, we are going to do one with birthday cake ice cream. I already have my cup of Coke here. With my floats, I'm not a fan of root beer, so I normally do Coke or some other type of drink or soda. And I've already let my ice cream soften quite a bit. And so I'm gonna go in for a nice scoop. And I'm just gonna plop it right in. Oh my gosh, this tastes just like cake. And there we go. Now we have a fun Disney-inspired drink that can go with our Disney-inspired meal. And even though we're not back at home at the park, we can last just a little bit longer as we wait till our next trip. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Please tell me, what's your favorite drink to have ice cream floats with, and what is your ice cream of choice? Also, don't forget to share what your favorite Disney snack is. I look forward to seeing your comments. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.